What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. And yeah, this video, okay, as you can see, I'm with the Lexus GX460. Now, I did not know we were going to get this car today. We've been looking since late January, so I went today to check the car because it has the captain chairs. She didn't like the captain chairs at first, but she saw it, she liked it. She said, all right, let's do it. So we signed the papers, and yeah, the car is here. It's a GX460 2022 with the premium plus package. It's crazy. So we went there just to look, and it was there, and we were like, okay, we'll take it. That's the front of the car. You can see we have the sport design package, parking sensors, this color called claret mica, and at first, as you can see, this is the sepia interior. We wanted the black one, but we were just waiting, so we didn't want to wait any longer, so we get this one. As you can see, this is the new steering wheel, the new screen. I will do a full review on this car. You got the Mark Levinson and sunroof, and man, yeah. And this is the seat that she didn't like at first, but she never saw him in real life, so she wanted the bench seat. So when she saw that one, she was like, fine, let's take it. As you can see here, we have a bunch of stuff we haven't even touched. That car smells so, this thing smells so good, like brand new. This is the first time we buying a brand new car. My Lexus was pre-owned, so I had it pre-owned, but this one is actually brand new. Like I said, I will make a full review on the car, and yeah, this is it. Car looks really good, man. Car looks really good. And if you open, let me open this up. I gotta get used to it. Oh, it's right here, never mind. So this is the back. You see how the door slide open, and that's the bench. The only thing about this car though, if the seats are up, there's no space back here, but it's okay because I mean, these always gonna be down, so it doesn't really matter. So that's how the door open, and you close it this way. Yeah, man, car looks good. Now the only thing I have to do is try to make it fit on my garage. As you can see, my garage has a lot of stuff on it. We building a shed right now. The guy said it might be the end of April until we get it, so I'll get all those crap out of my garage, so it'll be for car stuff only. She is happy. I mean, I am happy for us, for her. I'm happy for her. So she wanted this car for 4 years now. 4 years we've been looking and save for it, and then last year we were gonna get one, and then we heard that they were gonna do an update for the screen and all that, so we waited, and now we have it. It was hard. We've been looking since, like I said, since early February. Now we're in March. So yeah, the car is here. It's not black. Actually, I didn't really want the black one because I have a black IS. You guys know, if you are new to the channel, I have a black IS, so I didn't really want another black car because it's so hard to take care of the paint. But this color, man, I like it. So what I'm going to do now is put the car in the garage, and yeah, the car looks, it's not a car, it's pretty much a truck, man. This thing, when you drive it, it's like boy, smooth. This thing just It feels so good to like, I swear to God, if you have a bad day at work and you get on his car to drive, this thing is just, you can just fall asleep. Yeah. So yeah, man, that's it. Like I said, I wanted to do a video, go to the dealer, do a delivery day, but I didn't know that we were going to buy the car. I just went to look, and there she is, brand new car. All right, guys, this is just a short video. So if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a like. And we kind of have a lot of content on this car. Well, not my idea, it's her car, so what she wants to do. I know for a fact that wheels, she wants those big wheels on his car, and we do have to tint the windows because what they did, they tint the passenger ones, but the front, it's not. So I would have tinted, so I would have to tint these. And then what I want to do is a full PPF for the front, like the hood and the front bumper. Well, it's mostly grill, but other than that, and I probably do a full seal ramming coating too. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is, man. And subscribe, this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.